Alright, for this glue up on this Outfeed table project, I came up with this quick little jig. It's basically some scrap plywood, all at right angles, so that we can lay our pieces in, put glue on, and I can push them into the corner here, and the edges and the ends will be lined up perfectly. Then I can shoot some pin nails in, get those halfway secure, put some clamps on it, and let it dry. I think that will work out rather nicely. Nice and straight. Alright, so I'm getting ready to assemble the frame for the Outfeed table, and before I could actually do any assembly, I needed to make sure that when the blade is at 45 that we would clear this cross member. I did not install a cross member on the table saw stand because of this mechanism, but after looking at the plans and thinking about this for a while, I knew I would probably have to check this. Also, the cross member that comes across, we will probably have to relocate that as well. So I'm going to assemble the frame with the 4 outside cross members and end frames, and then the middle cross section, and we'll put it in place and see about where the motor is going to land and influence this cross member here. that's all the time that I have for this episode this week. Hopefully next week we can get the other two cross members installed, get the 2 layers of plywood for the top and the banding on that, and also the vertical piece that divides up the 2 spaces here. We will also install 4 leveling feet on the outfeed table, and I will go back and install 4 leveling feet on the table saw stand as well. Well, if you saw anything in my shop that you would like to talk about, or maybe you have comments about the outfeed table itself, please leave a comment below. That really helps us out on YouTube. We have also started a Facebook page, an Instagram page, and a Pinterest page. And if you would search Bobby Sharp's Made by Hand Shop, you should be able to find those. And there's also links in the banner on my YouTube channel as well. Well, as always, be all you can be. But best of all, be sharp. Stay safe in your shop, everyone.